Viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Siwan in Bihar has set the stage for upcoming Bihar elections. At the heart of Prime Minister Modi's address was a fiery attack on Lalu Prasad Yadav and the RJD over the insult to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Prime Minister Modi called out the RJD Supremo over the video where a portrait of Ambedkar was seen placed near his feet. Prime Minister Modi emphasized that Lalu has no intention at all to apologize for the insult because it is in the DNA of the RJD and the Congress to hurt Dalits as well as OBCs. The Prime Minister declared that Lalu kept the portrait of Dr. Ambedkar near his feet. For him, Ambedkar's place is in his heart. Listen in.
अभी पूरे देश ने देखा है कि आरजेडी वालों ने बाबा साहेब की तस्वीर के साथ क्या व्यवहार किया। मैं देख रहा था बिहार में पोस्टर लगे हैं कि बाबा साहब के अपमान पर माफी मांगो, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं ये लोग कभी माफी नहीं मांगेंगे, क्योंकि इन लोगों के मन में दलित, महादलित, पिछड़े, अति पिछड़े के प्रति कोई सम्मान नहीं है। आरजेडी और कांग्रेस बाबा साहब आंबेडकर की तस्वीर को पैरों में रखती है, जबकि मोदी बाबा साहब आंबेडकर को अपने दिल में रखता है।
And viewers, this Ambedkar row has now exploded into a full-blown political storm. Will it recast the entire Bihar poll narrative? The BJP is using this issue to accuse the RJD of being anti-constitution and anti-Ambedkar. Listen in.
अंबेडकर जी और संविधान का अपमान, यही आरजेडी और आरजेडी के साथ साथ कांग्रेस और इंडिया अलायंस की पहचान। फॉर आरजेडी इट इज बेटा साहब अबव बाबा साहब। इट इज सामंतवादी फ्यूडल माइंडसेट अबव संविधानवादी सोच।
Let's now go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Sabyasachi, any word from RJD yet on this?
Well, right now, no words has come in from RJD. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also launched an attack on the RJD, stating the whole country saw what the RJD did to Bala Saheb photo recently. And I know that these people will never apologize because they have no respect for the Dalits and the backwards. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a scathing attack against the RJD and the Congress, stating that the RJD and the Congress placed Bala Saheb's photo at their feet while Prime Minister Narendra Modi keeps him in his heart. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was speaking from Siwan in the state of Bihar, where the push was the resolution of Amrit Bharat as well as the developed Bharat. And RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav earlier had launched an attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stating that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has gave around 200 speeches from the state of Bihar, but zero promises have been kept by the BJP, by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, several of these attacks have been coming in from the opposition side, specifically from the Congress and the RJD, who have been reminding the Bharatiya Janata Party that they have failed on its promises as far as the Bihar is concerned.
Right.
But BJP had upped its ante, stating that it was Jungle Raj under the leadership of Lalu Prasad Yadav in the state of Bihar.
All right.